everybody, welcome to my unboxing of Taken. Got this at Best Buy today for only $7.99. Finally used some of my gift card. Sorry that you can't really see the special features well. It's rated PG-13. There's also an unrated version on here. And it's 91 minutes, so this is actually a re-release of Taken, featuring just Blu-ray and the digital HD version. Fix that. There you go. Alrighty, got it. So there's the disc, which looks like it's the exact same one from the earlier release. Of course, you got your Taken code. Nothing on the back. Just a standard Eco case. And again, it has this kind of design, so it looks like it's the earlier release, just repackaged. Awesome. Not bad for only $7.99. I haven't seen Taken 2 or 3 yet, so I don't know if I will. I don't know if I'll ever watch them though. So there was just more plastic. That was my unboxing of Taken. Pick up from Best Buy. See you all in the next unboxing, which will probably be, I don't know. So see you all later.